Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia, and today I'll be telling you how you can predict your college according to your JEE Main rank or your percentile. So first you have to search for the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and once you see this website you have to click on it. So after reaching the website you have to scroll down below and you will see the section of College Predictor. You have to select over here and then you have to enter the course and the exam that you want to pursue. So today we will see for the JEE Main. So JEE Main, and the course I want to do is BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. Then you have to enter client colleges. So after that you will be redirected to the page where you have to enter your rank or your percentile, your reservation category, your home state, your course and your gender. For example, my rank is 70,000. My category is general. My home state is Uttar Pradesh, and then you have to click on check results. So there are in total 594 colleges for which I qualify for, and these are all the colleges that are under my category. So if you want to know more about the college, you can just select on this link and it will redirect you to the page where you have all the information regarding the course, your fee structure and everything. So this is for example for JIT Noida, and this is all the details regarding the course. This is the tuition fee, admission fee, caution fee, development fee and the exam paper. Everything is given over here, and the course description. And if you want to download the brochure you can select over here, that is brochure. And if you want to know more and if you want to select the colleges according to your preferences, then you can select this option in the bottom, that is filter, and you can just select according to the state, city and year or cutoff quota or the substream, degree type and category for which you qualify for. You can just select that option and apply the changes, and all the options will be available to you. So if you want to know more, you can just comment down below or you can visit the website, that is collegedunia.com. Thank you.